Today's lesson is about review for TVM Solver. 1. Tom invested $30,000 at a nominal annual interest rate of 5.5%, compounded monthly. After key years, the investment appreciated to $40,000. Find the value of K. Since compounded monthly, we have this is a 12, and here multiplied by 12. Basically, we are looking for this N. The interest rate is 5.5. Present value invested $30,000. That is you give away $30,000 first, so negative $30,000. PMT is 0. Future value will be 40,000. So go to this capital N, alpha, enter. You will get 62.9107. K times 12 equals 62.9107. Then the K equals 62.9107. We divided by 12. Answer will be 5.2425. For 3 sig-figs, we need to change into 5.25. Round this up. Otherwise, the investment cannot reach $40,000. So we need to round this year up. 5.25 years. Tom planned to reinvest the $40,000 amount in a savings bank account. The bank promises the investment will double in 15 years. The interest is compounded semi-yearly, which means compounding period per year is 2. Find the interest rate of the saving account. Reinvest this $40,000. This will be negative $40,000. 15 years times 2. Since this is a semi-yearly, this is a 2. PMT is 0. Interest rate is something we are looking for. Future value is double this $40,000. So it's $80,000. Then move the cursor to this interest rate. Alpha, enter. We need to round this up too, because if we have a 4.67, we cannot reach this $80,000. 4.68 will be the interest rate. Interest rate will be 4.68%. Let's go to second question. Roy places $50,000 in a bank account that pays a nominal interest rate of 6.5% per annum, compounded quarterly. So we have 4 times 4. The inflation rate over this period is forecast to be 4.2%. Calculate the real interest earned in her account after 10 years. Real interest equals FV minus PV. Since this question, inflation rate is involved, we need to figure out effective nominal annual interest rate first using this formula. K is number of compounding periods per year. K equals 1 for annually. K equals 2 for semi-yearly. K equals 12 for monthly. K equals 4 for quarterly. Then use this effective nominal annual interest rate, subtract the inflation rate. You will get the real interest rate. So the real interest rate equals 1 plus 6.5%, we will change into decimal, 0.065 over 4. Then to the fourth power minus 1. Then minus. Inflation rate is 0.042. You will get 2.46%. 2.46%. We will put here is 2.46. Then present value will be negative $40,000. PMT is 0. Future value is something we are looking for, so we put 0. On the graphing calculator for TVM Solver, then move the cursor to future value, alpha, enter. Answer will be 63,896.82305. So the future value will be $63,896.82. Then the real interest will be $13,897. Roy withdraws $25,000 from his bank account to buy a new car. It's known this model of car has an annual rate of depreciation of 15%. Find the value of the car after 5 years. Years is 5 because this is an annual rate. Since this is a depreciation, the interest will be negative 15. Present value is a negative 25,000. Then PMT is 0. The future value is something we are looking for. Why the present value is negative? This is the money you got out of your pocket, give away to get this car. Whenever the money was taken out of your pocket, then it will be negative. For positive money means the money you received. We are looking for future value, alpha, enter. So the car's value will be $11,092.63. So after 5 years, the value of the car will be $11,092.63. Let's go to number 3. Jean has taken out $250,000 loan to purchase an apartment. She will repay the loan over 30 years at 4.35 PA, fixed interest rate, compounded monthly. Calculate the monthly repayment. Compounded monthly, which means this is 12, then times 12. 30 years, 30 times 12. Interest rate will be 4.35. PV is a positive $250,000. PMT is something we are looking for. Future value will be 0. Then go back to this PMT. We do alpha, enter. You will get negative 1,244.5394. Remember, you need to round up for this PMT. Whenever you do the repayment, you have to round up the value of the money. The repayments we got from this TVM Solver is $1,244.53. B. Calculate the total interest charged. For this monthly repayment, $1,244.53. We multiply by 30 years. Each year is 12 payments. Then we subtract. Present value is $250,000. It's $198,030.80. Let's go to C. Find the outstanding balance on the loan after 15 years. This is 15 times 12. 12, 12. 4.35. Present value is $250,000. PMT payment is negative $1,244.53. Future value is something we are looking for. PV is something we're looking for. Alpha, enter. Answer will be $164,326.84. After 15 years, she can afford to increase the monthly repayments. She wants to completely repay the loan over the next 10 years. Calculate the monthly repayments for the next 10 years. So for this capital N will be 10 times 12. The rate is the same, 4.35. Present value this time will be the outstanding value, 164,326.84. Payment is something we are looking for. Future value will be 0. This is 12, 12. Go to this payment, alpha, enter. Answer will be 1,691.21. Remember, round up for this payment value. Let's go to number 2. Calculate the total interest that would be charged over the 25 years. The first 15 years, she paid $1,244.53 for monthly payment. So we use 1,244.53 times 15 times 12. Then plus, this is the monthly payment in the last 10 years. So we add 1,691.21 times 10 times 12. Then minus the principal, that is $250,000. That equals $176,000 $960.60. For number 3, how much interest will Jean save by repaying the loan sooner? If she paid the loan for 30 years, this is the interest she needs to pay. So use this number. We subtract the interest she paid for the 25 years. Then we will get the interest she saved by paying the loan sooner. Answer is $21,070.20. Let's go to number 4. Luke rolls his $550,000 of savings into annuity fund, which earns 5.45% PA interest compounded monthly. He wants the money to last for 20 years. How much money can Luke withdraw each month? So for this, capital N will be 20 times 12. This 2 is 12. Interest rate is 5.45. Present value is negative $550,000. PMT is something we are looking for. Future value is 0. So go to this PMT, alpha, enter. He will receive $3,767.86. Remember, round down this payment. Whenever you receive monthly money from a bank, you need to round down the payment. So for A, Luke will withdraw each month $3,767.86. B, find the outstanding balance of the fund after 14 years. 14 times 12. Interest rate is still 5.45. Present value is negative $550,000. PMT is a positive $3,767.86. For future value, it's something we are looking for. These two, both 12. For future value, is something we are looking for. Alpha, enter. Future value will be $230,953.21. After 14 years, Luke receives an inheritance of $150,000, which he adds to the annuity fund. How much is Luke now able to withdraw each month for the remaining 6 years? So for capital N, it's 6 times 12. This is 12, this is 12. Interest rate is the same. First of all, we need to figure out the PV. That equals the outstanding balance plus this $150,000. That equals $380,953.21. So for this, present value will be negative $380,953.21. PMT is something we are looking for. Future value will be 0. Then go back to this PMT, alpha, enter. Answer will be $6,215.06. So answer will be $6,215.06.